How to create college comparison tracker on Microsoft Excel app. So all what you have to do, guys, is go to Excel app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on this little add option and go down until you find the college comparison tracker option. Here is it right here. Now after you find it, click on it and it will take you to this page directly. Now all what you have to do is edit the informations easily, and after you finish, go to the top corner and click save. Easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.